For me, pure happiness means being able to make a new discovery every day. I have been lucky so far, and so I can definitely say I'm happy. Very happy. I believe that if something seems crazy, that's exactly why we should do it. Most of the restrictions we set ourselves exist only in our mind. The word freedom is a word that anyone can say. For me, it has a different meaning. In life, one should not focus on problems, but on possibilities. I won't be handicapped. The biggest push for me to do something is when someone tells me, "You can't do this." Only this gives me the opportunity to create something unbelievable again.